Clinical Trials of Texas in the medical center area is in charge of 4 COVID-19 vaccine trials. 2 of them, Moderna and PFIZER, are currently underway. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, vaccine trials go through 3 phases before final FDA approval. Phase 1 is small. It can last several months. Normally, about 20 to 100 people participate. Volunteers have to qualify, and they undergo a strict screening process.
They will have a medical history taken and a medication history. They will see a physician. It'll be determined whether or not they actually qualify for this study.
During Phase 1, researchers test the drug's safety, determine a safe dosage, and identify side effects. Phase 2, the vaccine is given to a much larger group, usually several hundred people. It provides additional safety data. It also allows researchers to see how the volunteers' immune systems are responding to the vaccine. Phase 2 can last several months to 2 years. Phase 3 can include several hundred to thousands of participants. About 30,000 volunteers are expected to enroll in the MODERNA study across 89 clinical research sites in the U.S., including here in San Antonio. People are normally placed into 2 groups. One group gets the vaccine, the other doesn't.
They're not going to know which one they get, nor will we. So everything is what we call in the clinical research industry, it's called blinded. And that keeps us very honest.
During Phase 3, the results are more likely to show long-term or rare side effects. That's because the length of study can be 1 to 4 years. Moderna is currently in Phase 3. Human trials began in March. Moderna's research so far has produced encouraging results. In the first phase, there were first 45 participants, ages 18 to 55 years. They received 2 injections 28 days apart. More than half the participants reported fatigue, headache, chills, muscle aches, or pain at the injection site. Researchers say after the second shot, it generated neutralizing antibodies. The PFIZER trial is in Phase 2-3. That means they're conducting both Phases 2 and 3 at the same time. Up to 30,000 participants age 18 to 85 years are expected across 120 sites globally. Dr. Stephen Davis of San Antonio is one of those participants.
I can't think of a more important clinical trial to participate in than this one, since this is the biggest health threat of my life.
PFIZER reported similar findings. You've probably noticed that the race to find a COVID-19 vaccine has been a fast one. That's because the federal government has sped up the process. It's been dubbed Operation Warp Speed.
That data, I'm sure, is being compiled and sent forward to the FDA so that everybody can look at the data now in real time and really do it as quickly as possible, so that decisions can be made whether or not to approve this vaccine and make it available for our population to receive, hopefully early next year.